Ever feel like your laptop is just too much for your daily tasks? What if a tablet could handle emails, browsing, streaming, and light work without slowing you down? In this video, I'm breaking down 5 tablets that can actually replace your laptop for everyday use, the ones that are smooth, reliable, and practical, without all the frustration most budget tablets throw at you. Stick around because some of these might surprise you and change the way you work or study every day. At number 5, we have, let's start with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE 2022. If you're watching this because you want a tablet that can actually take over the kinds of tasks you'd normally use a laptop for, this is the one to notice first. I've spent hours testing it for real-life daily use, juggling multiple Chrome tabs, checking email, streaming videos, even editing Google Docs or light PDFs. Unlike most budget tablets, it doesn't freeze or force apps to reload every time you switch. That consistency is exactly why it can replace a laptop for casual office work, school, or personal productivity. The 12.4-inch 2560 by 1600 screen gives you enough real estate to read documents comfortably, watch a presentation, or scroll through spreadsheets without constantly zooming in and out. It's not AMOLED, so the blacks aren't inky, but for the kind of tasks most of us do every day, reading, typing, web browsing, it's bright, clear, and easy on the eyes. The S Pen included makes a big difference. Many tablets at this price either leave you paying extra for a stylus or include one that feels laggy. Here, it works immediately. Taking notes, marking up PDFs, or jotting ideas down during a video call feels natural. No frustration, no weird delays. In real use, this makes a huge difference compared to a laptop because it's portable, easy to grab, and faster for quick annotations. Battery life is reliable. A full day of daily tasks is realistic. Pricing sits around $320 to $380, so it's a strong contender for anyone looking to move away from a heavier device but still get practical performance. This review is here to show you that the S7 FE isn't just a nice-to-have tablet, it's a practical daily driver that handles the stuff you really do on a computer, minus the bulk. At number 4, we have the Lenovo P12 Plus. If your goal is to leave the laptop behind for browsing, work, or school, this is one that makes a serious argument for doing so. I've tested it in real-life multitasking, switching between emails, web pages, documents, and light video calls without constantly closing apps. The 12.7-inch display feels massive for a tablet, which is exactly what you want if you're replacing a laptop. Reading spreadsheets, long PDFs, or multi-window apps feels natural. You don't have to pinch, zoom, or scroll endlessly. Lenovo paired it with a capable mid-range chipset and 8 GB of RAM, meaning apps stay open and performance stays consistent throughout the day. Watching this in the video, you'll notice how it handles tasks that would normally make a mid-range laptop choke. You can stream video while typing notes or checking documents without frustration. The tablet doesn't get hot, and the battery lasts all day, around 10 to 11 hours of mixed use, which is perfect if you're trying to replace a laptop for daily office or school tasks. Pricing sits around $330 to $380, so it's a strong contender for anyone looking to move away from a heavier device but still get practical performance. This review is here to show you that the P12 Plus can genuinely cover daily laptop tasks without the constant compromises most tablets make.
At number 3, we have the Google Pixel Tablet, base model. Honestly, this one surprises people the moment you actually start using it, especially if your goal is to replace a laptop for everyday tasks. If you're watching this video to figure out which tablet can handle emails, web browsing, streaming, note-taking, and light productivity without constantly feeling limited, the Pixel tablet really shows its strengths. The Tensor G2 processor inside isn't just a number to brag about. It translates into genuinely smooth performance during everyday use. I've kept multiple apps open, Gmail, Slack, Chrome tabs, and YouTube running in the background, and the tablet didn't lag, stutter, or randomly reload apps like cheaper Android tablets tend to do. Notifications don't interrupt your workflow, background audio keeps playing, and switching between tasks feels seamless. The 11-inch display is bright and crisp, making it easy to read documents, browse the web, or follow tutorials without squinting. The stereo speakers are louder and clearer than you might expect at this price, which is great if you're doing video calls or streaming lessons while working. It actually replaces the need for a laptop's slightly bigger sound setup in many cases. Watching this video, you'll get a sense of how portable and reliable the Pixel tablet is for day-to-day tasks that normally require a laptop. You can literally see how it handles multitasking with real apps in real scenarios, and it doesn't falter once. Battery life is also impressive. A full day of moderate to heavy usage is achievable, so you're not tied to a charger mid-afternoon. Pricing usually floats between $399 to $499, which is a bit higher than some mid-range tablets, but considering the smooth Android experience, dependable performance, and ability to cover multiple daily tasks, this is one of the most practical options for anyone looking to replace a laptop with a tablet. At number 2, we have the Apple iPad, 10th generation. If you're watching this video because your goal is to ditch your laptop for something lighter yet still capable, this iPad is the classic choice. It's not the Pro, it's not flashy, but it gets the daily work done reliably. The A14 Bionic chip keeps everyday tasks smooth. You can switch between Safari tabs, handle documents, stream video tutorials, take notes in Apple Notes, or even do light photo editing without micro stutters or slowdowns. Unlike many tablets that feel snappy for 5 minutes and then start choking once you multitask, this iPad maintains consistent performance all day long. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display is bright, crisp, and very readable, which makes typing, reading, or reviewing documents feel far closer to a laptop experience than most tablets in this range. You don't have to squint at spreadsheets or pinch zooms constantly, which is something I often notice on smaller or lower quality screens. Consistency is the real kicker here. Apple's software support means this tablet will stay smooth and functional for years, which makes it a safe bet if you're considering leaving your laptop behind for everyday use. Battery life comfortably lasts a full day, so you can stream, work, and communicate without constantly looking for a wall outlet. Pricing has come down quite a bit since launch, often sitting around $399 to $499 during sales, making it approachable if you want something reliable that just works day after day. In this video, you'll see exactly how the iPad handles multiple apps, multitasking, and productivity, giving you a real sense of how it could replace a laptop in daily use. Finally, let's talk about the OnePlus Pad. This is the tablet that really emphasizes raw responsiveness for everyday work, and watching it in action makes it clear why it can substitute for a laptop in many scenarios. The Dimensity class processor, combined with 8 to 12 gigabytes of RAM, gives you enough headroom to multitask effortlessly. You can jump between Chrome, YouTube, messaging apps, emails, and document editors without triggering reloading or lag, something that most mid-range tablets fail at. Watching this video, you'll notice how fluid it feels when switching between apps, scrolling long documents, or flipping through tabs. It doesn't hesitate, and that makes it feel more like a mini laptop than a typical tablet. The 11.9-inch 144 Hz display adds a noticeable difference in everyday usage. Scrolling web pages feel smoother, animations feel cleaner, and reading long documents is easier on the eyes than a standard 60 Hz panel. The taller 7:5 aspect ratio is especially practical for productivity tasks. It gives you extra vertical space for emails, notes, or browser tabs. Battery life is dependable, and the fast charging technology ensures you're back up and running quickly, unlike some laptops that take ages to recharge. Pricing sits around $399 to $499, slightly higher than some competitors, but the real-world performance makes it worth it if you want a tablet that can actually replace a laptop for daily tasks. Watching this video, you'll feel the difference. It handles email, browsing, note-taking, and streaming like a proper laptop, but with the portability, simplicity, and convenience of a tablet. This is exactly what you're looking for if your goal is to replace your laptop for most of your daily work without compromise. Bottom line, every tablet here is ranked based on how well it handles real-life daily tasks a laptop normally would. Some excel at multitasking, some at display usability, and some at responsiveness, but all 5 can genuinely replace a laptop for email, browsing, streaming, notes, and light productivity. Watching this video, you'll see why each one deserves its spot and how it can simplify your daily work without the hassle of carrying a laptop.